FTX collapse does not help centralized crypto exchanges, and that basically set a chain reaction of losing trust in centralized exchanges. And the fact that Crypto.com recently sent 400 million worth of crypto to the wrong recipient does not help the case at all. Even though they got this money returned, it's definitely not helping the situation with centralized exchanges. To the point where Coinbase and Gemini have to send these emails just a couple of days after FTX filed for bankruptcy, assuring customers that they have one-to-one backing of their assets and that they're not exposed to any FTT tokens. And that's why a lot of people are switching to self-custody wallets, and today we're going to be talking about Trust Wallet. And the reason we're going to be talking about the Trust Wallet is because of the name, Trust. No, I'm just kidding. The real reason is because CZ, the head of Binance, tweeted that you should use self-custodial wallets such as Trust Wallet. But actually, Trust is owned by Binance. So fool me once, shame on me, fool me twice. Yeah. Well, jokes aside, Trust Wallet is a really good self-custodial wallet that I've been using since the day one that I started crypto. So it's been several years and I've had no problems with it. And it's a multi-blockchain wallet, meaning that it supports multiple blockchains and multiple tokens on multiple blockchains. And it's pretty easy to set up, and most of us use our phones basically every other minute, scrolling through TikTok or Instagram. I think it's going to be way easier for you to set it up on your phone because you're just going to have easier access. There's not that many people that use computers these days. So let me show you how you can set up your Trust Wallet on your phone. Even though they have Chrome extension, in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can create your account using your Trust Wallet app either on Android or iOS device. It doesn't matter. So let's just get started. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go to Google Play Store if we're on Android, or we're going to go to App Store if we're on iOS. And then we're going to search for Trust Wallet. So over here it's going to say Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. So they definitely worked on SEO here, as you can see, and it's going to be the same for Android and iOS. And after you do this, you're going to click install. And when the installation is done, you're going to click open. So there are two options here, create a new wallet, and I already have a wallet since we're setting it up. We're going to click create a new wallet. We're going to accept the terms and we're going to click continue. Now it's going to ask you to create the passcode. So create whatever passcode you want. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here, it's gonna ask you to accept the following. If I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. I acknowledge that. If I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody, my funds can get stolen. I acknowledge that as well. Trust Wallet support will never reach out or ask for it, and I acknowledge that as well. And yeah, please remember that nobody should ever ask you for your seed phrase, ever. And never give it out and keep it somewhere safe. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click continue. And here's your 12-word secret phrase, also known as seed phrase. So you can copy it, but I wouldn't recommend copying it and storing it on a Google Drive or anywhere else. What I recommend doing is just grabbing a piece of paper, writing it down, or grab a couple of pieces of paper, write it down, and hide it in 2 different spots. And also please make sure that you write it in the correct sequence, because when you need to recover your wallet, you're going to have to enter it in the exact sequence that it's shown right now. And after I'm done with this tutorial, I'm obviously not going to use this wallet because everybody on YouTube can see the seed phrase. So this is going to be basically a useless wallet after that. So don't try to import it and then trying to send any tokens to this wallet. Otherwise, you risk them being stolen. This is just for the purpose of this tutorial. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click continue. And it's going to ask you to verify the secret phrase. So you need to choose the words in the exact order that it was shown on the previous screen. So let's go ahead and do that. And if you entered it correctly, it's going to say well done, and you're going to click on done. It's going to say creating wallet, and it's going to say let's explore your new wallet. It's going to tell you that you can buy crypto, that you can deposit NFTs, deposit crypto, and now they have Trust Wallet browser extension. So you can also install extension if you want, but I'm not going to do it right now. And you can learn more. After that, you can go back. If it's going to ask you for push notifications, you can also enable push notifications. I recommend doing that. That way you know when you get updates on your wallet. So you're going to click enable, and that's it. It was that easy to set up the wallet. Remember, don't give away your seed phrase. Always keep it offline on a piece of paper or 2 pieces of paper, and hide it somewhere, either in a safe or somewhere else. And as you can see on the UI right now, when you set it up, you have your balance right here. You have send, receive, buy, and swap. But as I always say, the best way to keep your crypto safe is to keep it on the cold wallet or hardware wallet such as Trezor or Ledger. But if you don't have any other option and you need a quick and easy way to transfer your crypto off any centralized exchange to a self-custodial wallet, Trust Wallet is probably one of the best options, and especially for your phone, considering how you probably spend a lot of time on your phone anyway. And that was it for this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm. And if you want to know more about Trust Wallet and how to use it, I'm probably going to make another video on how to use the Trust Wallet and what you can do with it. Hit the notification bell to get notified next time a new video comes out. That way you don't miss that. And if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.